So the video conferencing is something that we are working for some time, and it is getting much more stable recently, even if there is still some kind of room for improvement. Burak and Mustafa, could you please just briefly tell, because we are already exceeding our time, for what are the improvements recently for last 1 or 2 months, and what are the reasons that make people use Circle for video conferencing? Just tell us.
And Mustafa, maybe you can start and continue.
Okay. No need to give such a detail. It is okay.
Maybe I can say some. I can add some general things. We have some improvements related to the reconnection and the user messages. We try to make them understandable by the users, and we handle the weak network conditions and reconnection scenarios better right now. Uh, and I want to mention that this is a live project. We are always working on it. For example, at the beginning of this meeting, I have created a new issue related to the scroll bar in the participant list actually. So you can use this with this link. I will provide a link. I will provide the link in the chat, and you can try it. You can report the issues to us. Okay, it is open. You can use this server every time. I have sent the link. You can change the something with the room name that you want to use, and you can use it directly. Also, I will add the link into our web page soon. Then you can directly access this server to create your room and make your meeting.
Okay, so for moving to the last part, I think for the demo of video conferencing, we are just having the demo since we start this event. So currently it seems that it is working well. There is still some kind of improvements, some space, some room for improvements. That is the nature of this project or these kind of projects. It is totally acceptable. The thing is that what our brand promise is that if we encounter a problem, we will fix it. And we assure you that that problem will not happen again in the same way, because we will write the test codes and we will add it to the automation, and we will be sure that the same problem, the same bug will not happen again in the future. So this is our brand promise, and this is something in our company. Okay, so Burak, could you or anyone can tell what are the reasons that people that makes people use Circle? I mean, why they would like to switch from Zoom to Circle or Zoom to Ant Media? Or
Okay,
is there
there are. Let me tell one of them. Okay,
okay?
because you can use Circle wherever you are using Antmedia server. For example, if you are using Antmedia server on premise on your local network, then you can use Circle there by only adding Circle into your Antmedia server setup as a web application. Just you need to install Circle as a web application, then use it. You don't have to send your. So sorry, let me tell it again. Okay, sorry for that. One reason is that you can use Circle wherever you are using. Okay,
Yours.
someone meeting me, I think. If you don't want to listen me, then I can be
Okay,
silent.
so the universe sent you a message, or maybe just one guy is sending you a message. No worries.
Maybe
So it is a custom, it is a project that you can deploy on your end. You have the control, you will have everything.
you
Uh,
can use it on premise
it's
also.
on-prem, it is scalable as well through the Antimedia server scalability infrastructure. Uh, then I'm just proceeding, and we will adding some kind of role structures to the circle. Right now, you see it is a very simple conferencing stuff. In the role structure, there will be a host, so that only host can mute the other guys, or some similar features are coming in their way. So the bonus, I'm just going to tell some nice but small improvements, small but nice improvements. So currently we have the adaptive multi-bit rate settings in Ant Media server in general settings. So currently it is available in the broadcasting level. So you can define the multi-bit rates that is specific to the broadcast. It is not specific to the applications. We introduced the conference participant limiting, so you can just define how many participants can be in a conference. So by having this feature, we have introduced new webhooks for the multi-track streams. I mean, when a new multi-track has been added, it should not be a conference call. It can be some kind of big event, and you will have the cameras in the different places in the venue. For this stuff as well, you can have the webhooks when a new track is added, when is removed, or some other things. So the playlist scheduling is something else. You can just create a playlist, and you can just specify the time when the playlist will start. So you can just define the date and time there. And the last thing is the PTZ support to web player, PTZ pan tilt zoom, which is used in the IP camera zooming, panning, or tilting the stuff. So there will be some kind of buttons on the web player. It can be enabled, and when you click these buttons, you can just see the IP camera just move to left, move to right, or you just see that it is zooming in or zooming out. So for the full change log, it is available on GitHub, and it is available here. So if you would like to take a look at that one, you are more than welcome. And I'm also sharing it on chat window as well.